Lewis. No, Lewis. I got it right. Lewis. All right. Sandy, how you doing, sister? Thank you for being here. And thank you for the donation. Okay, so you have a question regarding finances. Cash App and Square went down for almost a day. Interesting. I don't use any of those applications, so that's good to know. Should we be having cash ready? Right now, guys, I would say try to take most of your income. Okay, first of all, you shouldn't have most of your eggs in the bank right now, okay? I would suggest, in fact, I implore you to either have cash or gold and silver at this point. Gold, silver are always golden, all right? That's always good. Gold, silver, and cash at this point. But that's a very good subject, Sandy. Let's see. Myra, how you doing, Myra? Thank you for being here. Myra, thank you for the donation, sister. Appreciate that. Is JESHUA the incarnation of Lord Michael? Since your book refers to both of them as the creator sons of our universe, the answer to that is yes and no. All right, so how can I answer this? Okay. All right, so let's just assume that Lord Michael, the creator son of our local universe of Nebadon, is the incarnating logos, the Christ. But there is also a different entity known as JESHUA. JESHUA was the creator son of the first creation. See, Michael is the creator son of the 12 creation, which is the universe that we are a part of. So depending on the JESHUA you're referring to, if you're referring to JESHUA, who is the Lord of the first solar plane, the first solar ray, and the first creation, then no. But if you're referring to the universal mind of the Logos, which is pretty much the mind of Michael incarnating as a human 2,000 years ago, then yes, the answer to that is yes. And the Urantia papers actually confirm that. They do confer that. And that's part of the 49% of the Urantia material that is accurate. The other 61%, as I mentioned, was actually tampered with by the Draconians and the fallen Elohim. Kid from Krypton. Love that name. Krypton. Thank you for the donation, brother, and for the number one. I appreciate that. What is the dragon's role in these times?